Pasties. Čels reāli kasturbēbļi. Tev grunģi?
Es redzu, jā.
Čels reāli kasturbēbļi.
Kas tur be? Mums kameras? Es arī ieslēgtu.
Jā, mēs visi
tāds
kamerām.
kartupeļģīm.
Man arī tā.
Viši
Iekļūt.
kartupeļģīm. Hey, what's are you, bro? What's up? How are you?
What's good, bro?
You understand Latvian? Vai you are jobnoti?
Sorry, I'm Russian. No speak English.
He's a Russian spy.
Jā, lego. One kebab, please.
I don't make that shit. I'm Russian. I only
You-
make McDonald's
You
and
make-
I make Latvian food because I steal all the culture of the countries that I'm about to colonize. So
Okay. Sorry.
You
Sorry.
make fucking Belash and Cheburek.
see, look, I make you cry. Now you're crying.
Belash and Cheburek.
I made you cry. Don't. What's wrong with you? You're an adult man. You're an adult man.
I'm horny. I'm
That's
horny as fuck. I
That's
can
middle
fuck
grade level humor, you know.
with you. Kā es viņam pasaku? Iebāz to lampu mutē.
Put
Kā
the
ir lampa?
lamp. Put the lamp in the mouth.
Put lamp in your mouth. Put lamp in your mouth and show your brains.
Right.
Oh, nice. I can't do this shit. I don't have this. Fuck you!
Oh. So what's the newest information about pedophile Kaspers?
Ooh, me?
How is going with the investigation?
He wrote across. So he actually recently moved to Belarus, and it's really funny because he became a musician in Belarus, like a pop musician, like Taylor Swift.
Kaspers.
He became, Kaspers. He became the Taylor Swift of Belarus, and he started. No, listen. He became the Taylor Swift of Belarus, and he wrote songs like, "I wanna go on a dairy farm, where I wear all the lucky charms. I never knew that you loved me so fast. I was in Belarus, and you were Hamas. I worked for Mossad, and you were glad. I wish I wasn't such a Chad. You are a Stacy, and let's just face it. I don't know what to do. So, the human race is my least favorite thing in the world. Sorry, that's a wrong lyric. I don't know why I said that. That's retarded. That sounds retarded.
Yeah, because
See, that's why his career failed. That's why Kaspar's career failed. He wrote shitty lyrics like this. But I somehow made it worse by fucking up the last lyric. So it's really impressive that happened. But whatever, you sue yourself. Just try to,
Yeah, Kaspers sucks. Kaspers is like degenerate pedophile.
Let's watch the boy with green hair. Let's watch the boy with green hair.
Gandons, jobanīts, bļaļ.
Bunkers Kisto, nahуй. Degenerate, nahуй.
Strips, I sleep and he show how he jacked some dicks.
You still in America? Or you back in Latvia? You still in America? What?
Šī ir Latvija?
But how can I fucking play? I can call you by your nickname or name. Блядь, пёс.
Viņš jau kropls, viņš jau brād jebal. Es gribu ēst, nahu, bet es negribu ēst. Man slim. Zem nahu čirīt, bļa.
Tev ir titri jau.
Titri?
Jā, kino filmē.
Brāds. Tas ir trīps, es viņu nobloķēju, un atkal kaut uz citu profilu sāk rakstīt, brā. Su kaut kāds, bet 20 nahu numurs viņu nobloķējis. Tā iespējamā pīdara, brā.
I'm gonna get annexed by Russia in a year.
No,
You know, I
Third
received
one,
the
this-
message. You know, I have a third eye, and I received the message from the sun god that he's gonna zap your country, and it's gonna be heat waves all summer next year.
Latvia is already zapped nahu.
No, but we're gonna zap you to oblivion. It's gonna be like Spain.
Okay,
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Do
Honestly,
it.
I'm ready too. I can't wait to go to Lavian Beach.
Yeah. Do it today. Right now.
Why?
Because we need the apocalypse today.
Do you have any tattoos?
I got some tattoos, but I need some more tattoos. What the hell?
That looks like shit. I'm sorry.
Fuck you.
I'm sorry. That looks like shit. But I like your water though. I like that you drink that water.
That's not
I like that you got that going for you.
That's not water, that's some fucking vodka, man.
Oh, wait, it's classic? Okay, I respect that though. I respect that even more though. Low key?
Yeah.
O, tu šņabi dzer?
I drink vodka. I drink vodka?
You should like low key not do that though. It's really bad for you.
No, vodka is good.
Nē, this is good, this is good, this is good.
I drink vodka,
I don't know. You should like not do that. It's like not good.
then
For
I
you.
drink beer.
Maybe like you shouldn't like do it.
I should do it. But the vodka is one of the best things in my
Like
life.
what difference does it like make though? If you do it or not do it, you have
Привет,
still tried the game.
Rostakov.
And,
Rostakov is here.
Yo.
wait, why is this guy so bad at War Thunder?
Oh, I don't
Why
know.
is this guy so bad at War Thunder? Oh,
He's bot.
why is this guy so bad? He fucking
Viņš
closed his
strīmā
stream.
okeānu, tu trīp noslīcinās. This ocean so good. I like. Tur mēs strīp noslīcināt un to pēdējo pīdaru iespējamā.
Actually, you know, I'm also like, I'm the 5-star general. I have my general outfit. I can officer now.
Yeah, I agree. Actually, I was pulling up strings like that.
Kur tu dosies?
Man ir
Shut up.
militārais
I have
apģērbs.
to go. Okay, I have to leave.
Manā žaketīt.
Jā, esmu oficiāli.
Gua, I have an important message for Pedophiles Conspires if I can reroute it to Belarus.
Jā.
Viņam tur gājām kaut kāds pedofīlijas uzdevums, kādu bērnu
Wait,
izdrāst.
listen, Grindalus. So, your verification code is ZZZammer, okay? Mine is Latvia Skill. So, if Latvia is skills, are you really the boy with green hair? No, you're bald. Sorry. Bye.
Vai jūs? Ko viņš teica? Ka es lohs esmu? Bātači, bļā, lohs kāds, bļā, nēģers kaut ko var teikt pamanējumi, bļā. Iespējamais, bļā.
Viņš nosauc tavu verifikācijas kodu. Tu esi ķipa arī oficers. Latvijā vienkārši oficeriem, ne? Nu, viņš uztais par cilvēku eksperimentiem un pat neiedod oficeru verifikācijas kodu. Nu, ķipā, tu esi
Kur var dabūt? Viņam ir kods, viņš var iedot kodu.
Nu jā, viņi visi zina, viņi jau zina visus tos kodus, bet Latvijā vienkārši Latvija tik liela bomžu valsts, kad viņi pat saviem karavīriem nevar iedot, pateikt, kāds ir viņu verifikācijas kods. Tas ir baigais prikals īstenībā. Ar štāžu do Latvijas bomžu saimniecību.
Bļā, Latvija sen ir pārdot kā valsts. Krieviem vai kam viņi tur,
Viņi
kas
jau
tur.
kreisie kaut kādi šitie ļevaki nāk, tāpēc viņi nevar pateikt saviem cilvēkiem, kāds ir viņa soldier verifikācijas kods.
00826432.
Jā, no. Un tad tu, kad tu esi tā kā tikties ar NATO karavīriem, tad tev tas cipars ir jānosauc. Tad viņi,
Tā, ok.
un tā ir tā kā atpazīšanas sasveicināšanas zīme, nu. Bet Latvijā šis tie štrīpi, viņi nav
Jā,
tik kādi tur
jā.
mūtnie, tur kaut ko muhļījās, grib kaut kāds tur slepenos sataisīt, tur tādas, šitādas, ja. Nu, idioti kaut kādi, nu, pilnīgi deģenerāti.
Kropiļbērti.
Mhm.